on your network or LO exclamation mark on your network, so probably you are not getting internet connection in your PC or laptop. So I will show the 4 steps to fix this problem. So first start from the basic and powerful method. So you need to go to start, and in the start just type cmd like this and open the command prompt, run as administrator. Okay, so after you open the command prompt, you need to type the simple code. I have given this code in my video description link, so just copy and paste this code like this here. First type the ipconfig space /release and hit enter. Second, ipconfig space /flash DNS and hit enter. Third, ipconfig /renew and hit enter. After this, the fourth command is netsh space int space ip space set DNS and hit enter. And the last command is netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. So you need to hit enter after each and every code. So I have given all this code in my video description link, so just copy one by one and paste it and hit enter. So this is the first and powerful method. After this, you can restart your PC and try to browse your internet connection. If you're still facing problem, the second method is just go to your network, right click on this, then property. Okay, now click on change adapter setting, and if you are Wi-Fi or Ethernet whatever using, just right click on that and click on property. Here select internet protocol version 4 and click on property. Now select use the following DNS server, check on this, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.888 and 8. So 4 times type 8, and after this alter DNS server type 88 and 44. After this click OK. So your second method to fix this problem. If you still facing problem, the third option is just right click on this PC and go to manage. Okay, here click on device manager and then click on network adapter. Just extend this and here you will get your network adapter. Just right click on this and click on update driver. So this will update suitable network driver for your LAN card. And this is the third method. If you're still facing problem, fourth method is you can troubleshoot your network adapter. Like just right click on the network and open the troubleshoot. Sometime it will fix your network issues. So I have showed the 4 method, hopefully one of them will work. So last is troubleshoot. You can do troubleshooting. This is the inbuilt feature of Windows 10. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching guys, and let me know in comments which option or which method is work with you. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.